It's that super no Shima flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that
They don't dance and tell. We live in cities you'll never see on screen.
Guys, it is your boy Custom John here, bringing you guys a quick video today on how to connect your PlayStation to a VPN. This could be for CFW users or OFW users. So what you want to do is basically you want to find a good VPN. I use SpyProof. I mean, in my opinion, SpyProof is good for a lifetime. It's $20 lifetime, so I bought the lifetime. But you know, if you want to protect yourself from booters and stuff on BO2, because that's like the main Call of Duty where you get hit offline, I mean, this is the way how. I mean, I know it's other ways. I'm gonna be doing hardwired. I will make a video on Connectify once I learn how to use it better and stuff, like over Wi-Fi. But you know, I'm gonna get to that probably later on down the line. But what you want to do is make sure you have a good VPN. You can even use a free VPN, but I use SpyProof. SpyProof is good in my opinion. But yeah. So what you want to do is mine's already connected, so I mean, you can use any of these servers. Honestly, it's a whole bunch of servers on here. I mean, I used the Canada 5 because I get to play games. You know, the net type is better. It's not moderated, basically, if you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, you want to pick any of those. The best one is the Australia and the Canadian. I don't know, but I never tried none of the US ones yet. But Canada is the best one for me to play games. It may be different for you, but yeah. So what you want to do is, let me close. You want to close this out. You want to open up you want to find your control panel. All you gotta do is type in control panel over here. But as you can see, I got mine saved to I have it pinned to my thing. So what you want to do is you want to go to internet. You want to go into here, network and sharing center. You want to go into change adapter settings. So guys, once you get to this screen, your VPN will most likely be this one right here. Tap Windows Adapter V9, and this will be your PlayStation Ethernet. So what you want to do to break those connections, you want to right click. You want to go down to properties. Make sure you have your Ethernet plugged into the back of your PlayStation while doing this. So once you're over here at properties, you want to go into sharing. As you can see, mine is shared to Ethernet. So what you want to do is you want to click these two things, and then it should give you a little bar thing where it drops down and shows Ethernet. You want to click Ethernet, and then once you do that, it'll say it's shared. This one is for the computer. Don't worry about this one. That's TTP, which is for the computer, like if you want to hide yourself while you're surfing on the computer and stuff. But yeah, that's what that one is for. This is the one that will connect to your PlayStation whenever you're ready to play online. So once you got those both checked and they're sharing, I'm gonna turn on my PlayStation. Sorry guys, I don't have an Elgato yet, so that's why you can't see my PlayStation screen. But just follow the steps that I did on the computer. Look, mine is searching for the network. Look, mine's enabled, unidentified network. Alright, so my PlayStation is already connected to it. I want to go play some BO2. Just to let you guys know that it actually does work. You do whatever you have to do to get online. Thank you guys for watching. This is Custom John. I hope you like, comment, subscribe for more. I will be dropping another video tomorrow on how to change your avatars, you know, stuff like that. Like if you want to make your PS3 account look cool. For all the new modders that really don't know how to use it, you know how to use their jailbreak, I will be making another video the next day after that on where to buy jailbreaks from. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. Peace. Custom John is out.
It's that super no Shima flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that